This is a 2-in-1 car dining tray from the brand Oshotto. It can be easily installed on steering wheel of any car and SUVs. You can use this tray for office work, study or enjoy your favorite meal conveniently inside your car. This tray has a dedicated slot to hold your phone, iPad or tablet while watching movies. You can also use this dining tray as a seat gap organizer to keep all the things organized. It also prevents things to fall in between the seats. This 2-in-1 dining tray is made up of highly durable hard plastic and the rubber padding prevent any type of scratch on steering wheel. It is universal compatible and must have product for long highway journeys. Thanks for watching the video.